3, 2, 1. Flamingo. Are you looking to invest in a property in the Riviera Maya, but everything you've seen is overpriced, far from the beach, or just not what you're looking for? Maybe you're considering a pre-sale property, but the process feels complicated or risky. We totally understand. That's why at Top Investments, we offer access to both pre-sale and resale apartments in the most desirable areas in the Riviera Maya. Investing with us is simple and stress-free. You choose from carefully selected options, whether it's a pre-sale, ready for immediate delivery, and we help you find the right fit based on your budget, timing, and objective. All you have to do is enjoy your new apartment or start generating income from your investment property in the Caribbean paradise. And don't worry if you're not living in the Riviera Maya or have never invested before. We'll guide you every step of the way. Now you might be thinking, wouldn't it be easier to just buy something that's already finished? The truth is, pre-sale properties often offer significantly better value, and many of our clients are surprised by how much they save, all the while investing in high growth areas with strong appreciation potential. But if you're looking for something move-in ready or rentable right away, we also have carefully selected resale options to fit your needs. So why trust to work with us? We're Top Investments, a family-owned and operated company with over 30 years of experience helping people like you invest safely in the Mexican Caribbean. From Cancun to Tulum, we have direct access to exclusive developments in high-growth areas and properties with strong and short-term or long-term rental potential. Today, you have the opportunity to secure a place in one of the world's most sought-after destinations, with apartment options ranging from pre-sales to ready to move in. Click the link below to explore our developments, view available apartment models, and speak directly with one of our advisors. This is your chance to grow your portfolio in the Riviera Maya. Click now and get more information today.